Okay, now we're going to start on the wood interior carbon fiber upgrade kit. So you get rid of all the chrome trim everywhere, all of the wood, and it's going to look great. So right now, open up the first packet we give you, which is called the VHB Surface Cleaner Sachet. And this one is what we're going to use over all the surfaces after you've cleaned it with alcohol. So again, we've already done our cleaning with rubbing alcohol. Any percentage is fine. I'm getting the bezel here because we're going to put the bezel on probably first. And all the wood areas and the door panels. You know, just going over it one more time. And now the sliding tray.
Did you get before and after pictures?
Oh yeah. And then, okay, so now on this one, we're going to use the pick to pick off all the tape. Put it right in place over the handle. Okay, so now again, pull the sides away slightly, and don't worry, we're going to snap it all back together. So we used to show customers how to take it all apart, but we just want to get this piece down. Don't set it all the way down because it will stick. So we're trying to get it all the way down like this. I'm still holding it up. I'm still supporting its weight. Pulling the sides away. So without pressure, you'll notice that the tape doesn't really grab. So see how I'm able to get it all the way down here, all the way on. I'm still holding it up. And now I'm going to work on the final location, which means that it's going to fit just like this. I'm going to check the end, all the way to the end. I'm going to pull the sides back in. Snap them in. Now you can go to the trouble of unsnapping the panels all the way, like this. And that'll give you complete clearance. And that way you can make sure you're centered perfectly. So in this case, I'm a little bit too far to the right, slightly. So we're going to make a little adjustment here because we haven't pressed it down in place. So again, pull these snaps off the side over here and expose the whole piece of wood, and then slide it down like this and just get it centered perfectly. Now obviously the carbon fiber isn't going to reach to both sides because it doesn't need to, because this isn't all visible. So we're going to put it just like this. Again, it's not tacking yet because we haven't applied pressure. So there we have it here and here, and a little bit left and right. And now I'm back here. I see about 3 millimeters there, 3 here. Okay, now I'm going to apply pressure and lock it down. All the way up there. Lots of pressure. Now I'm going to close the flip, put the panels back on. Now when the panels go on, you notice these little clips right down here will be supporting it. It'll really close on it really high. So the panels down here. A little bit of clipping, a little bit of pressure. You can see we're still not put all the way back together. Looks like this car wasn't even assembled all the way back together correctly. So right here, we call this the flip drawer. This side's not on all the way. So I'm going to open this up and apply some pressure here. There we go. So again, always make sure that Model S center consoles are flush, that this is flush with this edge, and same here. Honestly, sometimes they're just not put together all completely. And then look at how nice it fits. Beautiful carbon fiber.